shut and said a lie, but very wise was he. The Moulin, a nightclub, a dance hall, and a bordello, ruled over by Harold Zidler. A kingdom of nighttime pleasures where the rich came to play with the young and beautiful creatures of the underworld. The most beautiful of these was the woman I loved, Satine. A courtesan, she sold her love to men. They called her the sparkling diamond. She was the star of the Moulin Rouge. This is a story about love. The woman I love is dead. One day, one magic day, he passed my way, and while we spoke of many things, fools and kings, this he said to me. The greatest thing you'll ever learn is just to love and be loved.